It's a natural thing. If you're a Caribbean, if you're a Jamaican, once you travel, you know you have to bring home stuff for your family. So that's a part of it. It's hard to stick to the budget. The basket is not giving sticking to the budget. Ooh, black Jamaican castor oil with rosemary. I sent him color. I bought it like a Hermes back when I was in Japan, and I don't know what to do with it. Type of things that triggers me, right? In Jamaica, you can never find it for $15. One be is so nice from Vietnam. Look. Hey, hello. I'm back home after spending way too much money at Ross. But I'm not uncomfortable. These are cute. Okay, so Ross, like, aren't these the cutest? They're so cute. Alright, so we're doing a challenge where we get like $20 to $30 1 hour in each store to spend. You see, my foot I give big, and my foot now give big.
You can ask the flowers.